What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the Tigre mini bike build, and today we are going to drive this thing. But before we can get to doing that, we need some brakes and throttle and kill switch, stuff like that. Basically just the essentials to be able to move around and stuff. So the first thing we're gonna get started on is adding our brake. We have this brake band here from Go Power Sports, and the idea is we're just gonna kind of have it go around the clutch like so. Kind of just like how we did it on our Cafe Racer mini bike. Turned out super good. So let's just get started on that. It's gonna be quite a bit of metal fab because we do have to use these bolt holes around here to kind of pull out the clutch and then have just a section here. So let's get started. This bracket's kind of just bolted in. And then the idea is just the brake's gonna go up here and this bolt's gonna get welded on. But because it's a little bit ugly, I'm gonna come in with a Sharpie and we can shave this down. That's the contour of our motor. That's gonna be sweet. Okay, so we got our little brake band on. I'm tightening it up. That is pretty sweet. So now what we gotta do is we just gotta run a cable through here. That way it can pull that on there, get it hooked up to our handlebars, and we will have brakes. That's pretty clean.
Brake is about done. We got our kill switch and our throttle on the handlebars. Just Go Power Sports, kill switch and throttle. And then we just need to figure out how to hook up this carb so that the governor works and our throttle hooks up to it. See how it works. Yeah.
Nice and tight?
Yeah, pretty good. Maybe tighten it a little bit more, but it's gonna be good.
Sweet.
Our throttle is now set up. We actually got it so that we have the governor working, and it kind of only needed just a little bit of massaging, and we got this all set up using the stock. Yeah.
Sweet. That's some crazy throw we got there.
Yeah, the twist grip moves like that much.
Sick. All right, so let's run her and test all the stuff.
Cool.
Ready?
Yeah. Sweet, okay.
That's a rotary right there, baby. Yeah.
Dude, the brakes are super good. Yeah. All right, so the rotary is completely ready. We've tested it. Everything's bolted down and tight. So we have a viewer that's letting us use his property. So the last thing we need to do before we go there is mix up some two-stroke fuel.
We're running 50 to 1 on this bad boy.
Yep, that's what it says on the label.
So we got it all loaded up in the truck. We're here with the rotary and the race bike. A fan of ours named Daniel actually was kind enough to let us use his property to rip. So
yeah, I got a little space out here. I learned these guys were pretty close. I saw some of their videos with you know, them driving around to places I recognize. So I reached out to them, told them to come out here and rip it. I got 6 acres, a giant shop, and you know, I do all this sorts of this fun stuff, mostly cars, but I've got a YouTube channel too. DJ Tuning is the YouTube channel. Don't have a lot of subscribers, but haven't posted in a while either. That's probably why.
yeah, but no, it's super cool. Definitely excited to use some of this property and get, you know, a lot of good content here. And sweet, let's just get on these things and do some ripping. Yeah. Alright, we'll get suited up and let her rip.
Yeah. Yeah, so on that last pull, we did a bit of a rolling race, and y'all can probably hear and see that thing hit the power band. It looks like we might need a bigger sprocket on this, actually. It's really big right now, but it's just rotaries, you know?
We could throw a bigger one on the jack shaft, that way we can have a little bit more step down and be knit.
Yeah, that's true.
That was the coolest clip I've ever taken. What happened? Oh, lost the chain. Look at that. Alright, so we've had a lot of time riding this thing. This thing could definitely benefit from a re-gear. We just didn't know how torquey the little rotary would be. The race bike's insane as always. So, but it is a little bit out of its element. It's more of like a pavement kind of thing, more of a show bike, but it's real fast, so we'll just have some more fun. I'm also excited to try it out, so let's see what you do.
Alright guys, so the rotary is finished. It did super awesome. It really outperformed what I was thinking it would do. I mean, we need to do a little re-gear, maybe a little carb work, but like it's super solid, super fun, really exactly what I hoped it would be. And then as always, the race bike totally rips and wants to kill us. So yeah, Joe.
Yeah, so once again, thank you to Go Power Sports for the parts we use on this thing, and a huge thank you to Daniel for letting us rip around his property. We wanted to come around here for a while, and it was great that we got to ride around and have some fun, and look for some more videos here in the future. So thank you for watching. Make sure to check out his channel at DJ Tuning. We'll have some links in the video, and make sure to subscribe and like this video, and we'll catch you next time.
Oh, that's big. Cool.
My college. It's fun.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Hey, sounds good.
See why you have some ruts in your yard.
Yeah.
This well under boost, man.
Wow.
You just sticked in four-wheel drive.
That's ridiculous. I did not expect it to handle it so well.
They're just ripping all sorts of stuff out here.
Heck yeah, man, that's what it's about.